got you smiling like that? Like, mad happy.
Hell, chill.
Yo, come on.
Look at this. Man, somebody getting their stuff right. What's the deal? What's the deal out here in the South Bay area right now? Just, trying to catch up to the crew. I always find this funny. Got the Ferrari outside with the trailer.
Karma comes quicker than a crackhead hearing change fall.
Damn. Man, somebody in the rear ended me at the red light. Come on now. See how much it's gonna cost.
It's 1 a.m. and guess who not in the mood for BS?
Now the rental car I done got, it caught a flat tire. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. Oh my, bruh. Some stuff you just cannot make up. First, I get stranded on the side of the road with a flat tire. Right damn shoe. Let me stop with my left foot real quick. Look, my damn shoe. Look at my damn shoe. What's this? What the hell, Stacey Adams?
Guess they stealing recording equipment. Can't make this up.
Damn, son.
Time to see what the damage is. Some days are good days, some days are bad days. We're gonna make this a good day. Y'all stay blessed. I'm gonna turn this thing around.